is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
Hello, we dey welcome una come this program where we dey call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to una from Procyon radio and television. My name is Sarah Agbo, and I dey with Gloria Enoch.
And my people now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you now.
How una dey? We hope say una full ground kakaraka. If una dey watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, like, share, and also drop una comment for this video. Make una no comot as we start together, make we end together. God go bless una. The tori wey we dey carry come na the tori of some men wey no dey allow their mother-in-law or their wife family come visit them. Na the tori wey we wan talk be that today, so make una dey with us. The tori be say Gloria, e get this young lady wey be say dem marry, come get just one pikin. So as the mother dey come for the very first omugo, she come go. Now the mother come get one of her son again for that same town wey be say the brother wife born. She can't go there go visit them. Before this time, the husband of this particular lady where the mother come visit, him give the lady serious problem. He no want why the mother go come their house, come sit down. As they wed them, they talk say two of them go become one. He no want make anybody visit. The girl say, as I born, I make my mother visit. He say, make this one be the first and the last. He no want make the mother no come again. According to the tori, when the mother they come for Ogo, should do many things for them. So that one not the problem. Do you understand? So after the mother don't go, the girl come hide her. She no want let the mother know wetin dey happen. When her own brother and wife come born, let the mother come because they for the same town. As the mother come, let the mother come stay with her pikin go Omugo finish. Come call her own daughter. Say, okay, my pikin, as I don't dey here, I no go dey this town, and then you dey this town, I no come see you now. So I won't come see you. At least I will spend 1 or 2 days for your place, thinking that she won't do wetin her pikin go happy. So the lady come tell her husband, say, to my husband, my mother say she dey come. The man say, for what? For what? I have already told you before. You think say I dey play? I don't tell you before, say make you no try am. I no want to see anybody for this house. He say, what is your reason? He say, now you don't mother, you don't disconnect yourself from your family. Now you belong to my family. So make you no tell me say anybody they come visit. Tell your mother say I no ready for her. The girl say, I don't understand. So the mistake where the girl do be say she first tell her mother. But she thinks say she no want them her mother. How the mother go feel? And okay, if I just take him unaware, man, if you no get anything where you go do, you understand? Now the lady come keep quiet, allow the mother come. When the mother enter house, the mother come greet her, my in-law, you know answer her. Maybe say her. The mother say, una quarrel. The girl say, mama no mind. So now that one be the beginning of the problem. The man come tell the lady say, since she no ready to hear wetin him talk, make she know to choose whether na for her mother place she go or she go remain inside the marriage. The mother dey the house where dem dey do all those things. They shout. Now the mother cry. Say, but you for tell me, if you say you tell me, I no go come. The daughter say, mama, how I go tell you? How I go marry man? You go come tell me say make I no see my mother. You understand, Gloria? So that's when the mother come out go leave them. But the girl come back say no. She pack her load again. Come go meet the mother. Come go stay with the mother for the younger brother place. For the meantime, to see say whether they go fit resolve the issue. So Gloria, wetin you see inside this kind tori?
My people, I greet una again. We don't come again today. Now, see, say this matter we dey talk, it happen for area, and many people dey experience am. And that is why we bring her out too. Now, when they hear us, they talk, make una think am too, una go even contribute inside the matter too. But the one wey me I see inside be say, kai, that man, he no love that him wife o. And one thing wey I hold be that, he no love the wife. Because I no go see where you marry, even though dem dey talk say two of them become one, you become one, and make third party, even dem dey talk for wedding ground say third party no dey, no be for this one. No be because third party be say na you go decide for them, na parents go decide, na the thing wey dem mean be that. No be the one go say mother no go fit go see her pikin. I come Kaduna, I dey for Kawo, my pikin dey Kakuri. I no fit say okay, my senior son abeg, I wan go see your sister wey dey Kakuri o, make I go come. Then the husband of my daughter wey dey Kakuri go say, he no wan see me, make I no come the house. And my daughter dey there. No, he no love that him wife. And he no get respect for the family.
He no get respect
for the family. He no get respect for the family, because that thing wey him do na the highest insult na him give that family be that. And the woman don already come enter the house, even though anything dey, get how dem dey cover. He go hold yourself, make you cover. When you don go, you go tell am say, shey I don tell you this thing.
Why
you let mama come? I think I tell you. But this one, as the mother dey inside the house,
yes,
now he raise the issue. He no give that family respect. He no give him wife respect. So wetin me I see be that respect no dey. And another thing be say, he no like that him wife. And you no get say some men dey like that wey be say na self-centered. Dem dey on their own. Everything. You get some people wey dey like that. No go, neighbor no fit enter their house. Children no fit play for their domot. He no get time with anybody. They say na say familiarity, then now they no want. Yeah, this one na family. This one wey dem talk na mother wey born the wife. Na she born the girl wey you marry. You no get right to come your house. So you no get right to go your house. When you marry her, you no go their house go carry her.
You go their house go carry her.
Na house you go
carry
her.
You go dey kneel down, dey greet them.
You go even dey bend down.
Mommy, well done.
But when you don carry her enter house, you become wild, you become lion. Na only you. So you no get respect for the wife family, and you no love him wife. Now wayo e dey play her, na play e dey play her, and that kind thing. I advise the woman o, if you see am like that, now wey be say na one pikin, use your tongue and count your teeth. Gone are the days when they talk say anyhow marriage dey, make you endure.
Make you dey patient. Make
they no dey patient again o, because many wey patient dem dey grave.
Oh, that is if the man dey beat. If the man dey beat you, domestic violence.
E get the one where man go even dey take in action, dey beat you.
Yes. You
know say that one,
you dey pain pass.
Na e go enter you, dey be like sword. Pin wey dey enter your body. Pin
come give you hole for your heart.
For your heart. Every day go, e must pinch you one. E go pierce you one. Every day go give you one. You go dey leave people just this one get that. See wetin dey do this woman. Yes. They no go know say na in character. Na they beat you. Na they deal with you.
So.
You see, so that kind of person, na that kind of person he be. So now wetin I feel advise her. Thank God say na one pikin. Use your tongue.
Count your teeth. Thank you very much, Gloria. Una don hear us today. If una get comment, make una drop. Wetin una expect make this kind woman do? Make una drop comment for us abeg, so that we go dey also fit advise other people wey dey inside that kind same situation. So with this, we don come to the end of the program wey we dey call Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television. I wan thank Gloria for coming to the studio. Make una no forget abeg, make una like, make una subscribe, and make una also share. So make una also drop una comment. This program they come to una from Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Sarah Abo. And they talk say make una dey shine like the star wey una do.
Baby, my salary, I want to marry.